Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the inside of the Volvo S80. Today we're going to be fixing the bulb failure, the position lamp. So I'm going to explain to you what the position lamp is, because quite a few people don't actually know, and then we're going to replace it. I have the bulbs and specs here, so pause this video right now. It's a W5W. As you can see, Philips, ordered these on Amazon Prime. They came next day. Really common bulb, so nice and easy. I couldn't really find the proper specs for these bulbs anywhere until I went rifling through the owner's manual. So yeah, there's your specs for the bulb if you're looking to do this yourself, and I'll talk you through it now, how to do it. Okay guys, so here we are at the front of the vehicle. I'm just going to show you now what the position lights are. So as you can see, this side just illuminated here, and this is your position light. It's this little tiny side marker light just here, and then if we move around, you'll see that this one is dead. So pop the bonnet, we've got the bulbs here, and we're just going to pop this headlight out. So if you haven't done this before on one of your P3 Volvos, this is the same for the Volvo V70 and also the XC models as well. You just pop these pins out here. This is pretty much all that's holding in your headlight, so we just place them up here so they can't fall into the engine bay, and now this one here as well, and now your headlight will come out nice and easy, as you can see. So I'm just going to pull this out. Sometimes it's a bit of a faff, struggling to do it one-handed, but yeah, as you can see, the headlight's coming out like so, and that's the whole unit pretty much out. So I'm going to pull this out and show you what we need to do next. Okay guys, as you can see, the light is out, and what we need to do now is disconnect this connector. Now this connector can be a right pain in the arse to disconnect, so just bear that in mind. It's quite an awkward position trying to do it here, just while it's still attached, but unfortunately that's the only way you can do it. So I'm going to do that quickly, and then I'll rejoin you guys in a second. Okay guys, so I actually realised that we don't actually need to take this off completely. We can actually access it here. So I'm just going to pass you inside. And as you can see, there's a tab on the top. Let me just hold that a bit more still. There's a tab here. And I've bent that up, which has meant now I can access the position light without having to remove the headlight, which makes life so much easier. So I'm just going to pull that out now, and then we'll go into replacing the bulb. Okay guys, so here she is. Pulled her out, and as you can see, we've got a little, you might not be able to see it actually, I'll try and get the camera to focus, but we've got a little blown filament in there, which is why obviously our bulb isn't working. So all you do is you just pull this out, try to do it with one hand, just like that. As you can see, that's probably a better shot. You can see the filament's completely broken, which is why the bulb isn't working. So what we're going to do now is we're going to open our new packet. I'm just going to put the old one there so I don't forget it. Open the new packet and install them. Okay guys, so this is our new Philips bulb, and for those of you who are stressed out about me touching it right now, don't worry, I'm going to give it a full clean once I've installed it. But essentially, yeah, these just clip in to the, oh shit. It's a good start, that's a good start. These should just clip in just like that, and yeah, there we go, there's our replacement bulb. Filament's still intact after I dropped it, which is always nice. So yeah, then guys, essentially you just reverse the process. I'm going to clean the bulb off now, but yeah, you just poke it back in, and then push the clip down, and that will then fix it for you. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for plenty more Volvo jobs. I need to replace the one on this side, but we've also got a broken mechanism here on this headlight adjuster, which means it points downwards. so I've got that to do this afternoon. So yeah, it's all go, but thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.